Okay, here's a really awesome double play ball I am as Texas Rangers versus the Angels. Wasn't that awesome? And now, here I'm going to show it as slow motion as I can get it. So here's my creative picture I made. I know it's kind of cheap to create a picture, but throws it to Torii Hunter. Torii Hunter hits the ground ball to free agent Jimmy Rollins, grabs it, backhands it, replay it. Replay. Replay. And now, I forgot who gets this. I think it's Kinsler. But then he just throws it to get Torii Hunter out on probably one of the best double plays I've ever seen. So, that's my really awesome double play ball.